So friends, check out these mangoes. These are from my garden. Due to unpleasant weather, they had fallen. So I'm not going to waste them. I'm going to use it. Some I will use. I'm going to make pickle and show. In today's video, I'm going to show you all how to make a mango pickle. And some I have peeled and kept, which I'm going to dry and use for further process in making solmas, ardamas, and curry and all. These are very useful. This I'm going to apply salt and dry them up in the hot sun and store it for further process. So let's start with the mango pickle. Friends, in order to make this sweet pickle, today I'm going to show in this video how to make sweet pickle. For that I've taken 6 mangoes, raw mangoes, and I'm going to show how to cut also. So check these mangoes. This is how you need to cut. Once you wash the mango, seed you keep it separate. What we're going to do is you have to cut small dice in order to make sweet mango sweet pickle. This is how you have to cut. This is the size what we require in order to make a sweet pickle. Guys, check this out. This I've already cut and kept. First process is what we need to do is, once we cut mangoes, we need to apply salt and leave it for overnight, and then we'll make the cooking process. So we'll add salt which I have taken is 2 tablespoons. Need to mix well. Now this is mixed with salt. We'll cover this and we'll leave this aside overnight, and we'll start with the cooking process after this. So friends, let's start with this process. These are the mangoes which we kept it overnight. In order to make the sweet mango pickle, or in other words you can say mango chutney, sweet chutney, what you need is, we'll start with this dry ingredients. Kashmiri chilli, which is 12 each. Garlic, which is 1 pod, I have peeled and kept, and ginger is 1 inch. Now these 3 ingredients I am going to blend it. If you prefer red chili powder to use, avoid Kashmiri chilies, and you can add dry powder if you want to use. So these 3 ingredients I am going to blend it together with vinegar. Vinegar is half cup I have taken. Then I have taken Jaggery, which is 100 grams, sugarcane Jaggery. Asafoetida, which is hing, I am going to use small 2 pinch. And then I have curry leaves, which is 3 sprigs of curry leaves. Then mustard seeds, half tablespoon, half a teaspoon of methi, Fenugreek, and then I have half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. So we'll start to blend with this first, and then we'll start with the cooking process. So friends, let's start with the cooking process. Now my pan is already hot. I will start to add oil. Now oil, I'm using vegetable oil. You need to add enough oil, at least a cup of oil. So now oil is already hot. We'll add mustard seeds, methi, and curry leaves. Now we'll add hing to this, just 2 pinch. We'll add masala to this one. Guys, in the jar, you do not add water, regular water. You have to pass water from the mangoes itself. I will add jaggery to this. Mix well. Let the jaggery dissolve. So friends, since jaggery is getting dissolved, we'll add turmeric powder and we'll add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Let this simmer for a while. So guys, one thing to keep in mind, if you don't have jaggery, you can use only sugar if you don't find it in the market enough. Now at this point, now jaggery is already dissolved, we'll add mangoes. Mix this properly. And we'll leave this on simmer for a while. Guys, check this out. This is ready. We left it on a slow range for at least nearly 15 to 20 minutes. And this is ready to be served. Check the consistency. This is how it should be. Now we'll turn off the flame and we'll set it aside to get a room temperature. This is ready to be served now. What you have to do is, you can store it in a pat dry container in a glass jar, and you can leave it for further use. Check this out. When you store it in a jar, make sure that the oil level is above the mangoes, and try this recipe. You will love it, and you can store this and keep it during rainy season. It is very, very useful.
Thank you so much for watching. Love you all.